Silver, it shimmers and shines. It has captivated mankind for ages. Since the dawn of time, we have sought its beauty. We adorned ourselves with silver. We traded it for riches. Silver held a mystical appeal. It whispered of hidden treasures and forgotten worlds. Ancient civilizations told tales of silver. They believed it held the power of the moon. It was a symbol of wealth and prosperity. Silver was a gift from the gods, they said. To possess it was to hold a piece of the heavens. From the deepest mines to the far corners of the earth, the search for silver began. It was a journey fraught with danger. Yet the allure of this precious metal was too strong to resist. The quest for silver was a true adventure. It would shape the destiny of civilizations. Imagine a time long ago. The earth trembled, volcanoes erupted. From the depths of the earth, silver emerged. It flowed like molten rivers. It cooled and hardened into veins of precious metal. Our ancestors stumbled upon this treasure. They chipped away at the earth. They used crude tools to extract the silver. They braved darkness and danger in the mines. Life as a miner was harsh, but the reward was great. Legends arose from these mines. Stories of lost cities made of silver. Tales of mythical creatures guarding the precious metal. These legends inspired adventurers. They set out to find their own silver fortunes. Today, the search for silver continues. We no longer rely on legends and luck. We use science and technology. Geologists study the Earth's crust. They search for signs of silver deposits. Sophisticated machinery is used in modern mining. Giant drills bore into the earth. Massive trucks haul away tons of rock. It is a far cry from the crude tools of the past, but the goal remains the same: to extract the precious silver. Technology has made mining safer and more efficient, but it is still a challenging endeavor. The earth holds its secrets tightly. Finding silver requires knowledge, skill, and a bit of luck. And whether in ancient times or today, the thrill of finding silver is undeniable. It is a moment of triumph. It represents the culmination of hard work and perseverance. For the ancient miner, finding silver meant survival. It brought wealth and prosperity to his village. For the modern miner, it signifies economic growth. It fuels industries and creates jobs. The methods may have changed, but the allure of silver endures. It is a timeless treasure. It connects us to the past. It reminds us of the adventurers who came before, and it fuels our own dreams of discovery.